Hi, let's learn for a trick. In this video, I am going to show you this knapsack problem. Let me give you the idea about the problem. So let's suppose you are planning for a camping trip and you need to take foods and there are some limitation in your carrying bags. Okay, so these are the limitation basically that you cannot take more than 10 kilogram of foods and the volume of that particular bag is 0.125 meter cube. Okay, and you need to take food and the constraint is that it's need to have more than 200 grams of protein. Now you have four options: candy bar, sandwich, juice can and apple, and these are the per object data. So basically candy bar has 90 calories per candy bar, okay, and it has 5 gram protein and weight is 0.25 kilogram and the volume is this. Okay, so these are the per object properties, so that is the object property. Now we want to find that which one we need to take and how much amount to get a maximum output. Okay, so let me just fill this data with 5, control shift enter, so it will put all of those 5, or maybe we could just say 10, drag it down. Okay, so you can put any number of items. Anyway, so these are the constraints. So I have created this Excel sheet. These are my decision variable, that how many candy bar we need to take, how many sandwich we need to take, and so on. And it's saying that my objective is that maximize the calories. Okay, so we could have more energy. Okay, so to solve this problem using solver, we have outlined that limitation. Okay, that we need protein at least 200 grams and weight need to be less than or equals to 10 kilogram. Okay, and volume need to be less than or equal to this 0.125 meter cube. So this is my data, this is my constraint, this is my constraint, this one is also my constraint, and my objective is that maximize the calories. Okay, and initially I have chosen 10 10 10. Okay, and these are per object data. So let's try to solve this using solver. Before that, if you like my video, make sure you subscribe this channel for the update. Okay, so these are my chosen data. Okay, now I am going to calculate how many calories we get from the chosen items, right? So you can see we can just use some product. Why is that? Because we can just multiply that. Okay, candy bar, how many candy bar? 10, and per candy bar we have 90 calories, so we could just use some product, and that is this one. Okay, and this will calculate my calories, correct? And let me just make this absolute reference. To calculate the protein, we just need to just drag it to the right. So for the protein part, we just need to multiply this chosen amount item, number of item, with the protein, and for the weight that will be similarly for the weight, and so on. So these are my chosen items amounts, that is 3600 calories, protein is 630, weight is 12.5, volume is 0.0415. Now my objective is that maximize the calories. So now let's create the model. So I just go into this data tab and solver. If you don't have solver enabled, then you can just go into this section, Excel add-in, and then you can just check this solver add-in. Now let's go to the data tab again and click on the solver. Now my objective, so that is objective is maximize the calorie, so that is this cell C18. So we can just pick the C18 and we need to maximize that. And what we need to change? We need to change number of chosen item, so that is this one. And what are my constraint? Constraint is that number of item will always be an integer number, correct? You cannot take some part of candy bar and some part of sandwich. So at that, the next constraint is that protein need to be greater than 200. So chosen protein is need to be greater than or equals to 200. At that, now weight need to be less than or equals to 10 kilogram. So add that, and volume need to be less than or equals to this given constraint volume. So you can add that as well. I think that's all for my constraint, and this is a simplex problem. So we are going to use a simplex LP solver. Okay, now you can just run this and done. You can see it's written a solution that Solver found an integer solution within tolerance. All constraints are satisfied. Press OK. Now this is my solution. So what does this solution says? That we need to choose 5 candy bar and we need to take 25 sandwich, and our total calorie will be 3700. Protein will be 1025. Weight is exactly matched and volume is not exactly matched, but our constraint is met, so that's okay. So this is how you can solve this knapsack problem, and in the similar way you can solve other knapsack related problem using Excel solver. One more thing, that if you have large amount of data, and in that case solver can be a little bit slow, in that case we can use Python and other commercial solver as well. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any question. Feel free to comment about any problem on this topic. Thank you.